never slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't. LJ Smith in here with Kolourekon. Let's debate it. How you guys doing this morning? Or actually this afternoon? Hey man, look. Things are moving now. I love the action. When there's no action, I don't be wanting to do a reaction. Ooh. When there's no action, I don't want to do a reaction. Okay, let's do it. Check this out though. Like I said, things are getting, you know what I'm saying, things are moving. And I see that Anthony and Amber now are talking about splitting assets and, you know, things of that nature. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of evening out whatever they kind of have together or whatever. And some of the things that she's asking for. And Anthony is, after that, Anthony, he seeks for legal advice with Shania. Y'all know Shania used to be a lawyer. Y'all know that. You know what I'm saying? And for whatever happened, he's not a lawyer no more, but he still know the rules. He know the guidelines. He know, you know what I'm saying? He still know. He know what's going on. And he told him, because Anthony goes over here to talk to him now to seek some legal advice. And let's see what Shania, let's see if Shania just keeps it real with him. He got to keep it real with him. He has to. Let's check it out.
Go out there. What's up, man? I'm good, man. Whose car is this? Zoe let you drive her car?
Chill out. Nah, it's just a rental, bro.
Rental?
Yeah, rental.
What happened to the Porsche?
Man, you wouldn't even believe it. Engine blew on me.
Get right to it.
Really?
Engine blew on me, bro.
Dang.
I know.
Let's get to it.
Oh, this the, yeah.
Okay.
Stay, yeah.
This is the baby mama mobile that you kind of take serious. Because this is what you give. It's not, you give this to your baby mama when you want them to have something nice.
No,
but you don't
bro.
want them to have something too
Man,
nice.
stop playing with me, man. This
I'm
is just my
messing
get
with you.
around for right now.
It's cute.
If I could fit in this car, I think it's the man car.
Okay. Whatever. So, what you got for me, man?
Man, I've been mulling over some things, and I gotta be real with you, bro. You're liable to lose everything.
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 So when you say everything, what you mean? Like, what am I?
Now, I had to stop it right there, right? Because that's one of the things that we spoke about early on, right? We spoke about how there's a possibility that Anthony can lose everything behind his decisions that he made, right? Especially in Georgia, especially, you know, the law is really on the woman's side, you know what I'm saying, and things like that. If people that know her knows that she was a good wife, you know, and they testify on her behalf or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? You know, the court's finding out that the little boy is his son. It can get really ugly. And he can lose a lot, even that house. The courts could, I mean, they can just make it ugly for him. You know, depending on how Amber goes in that court and acts, she can go in that motherfucking and act like she's fucked up. Like she just, you know what I'm saying? She can go in that in the courthouse like and tell a judge she ain't being able to even leave the house because she's so messed up. And they'll believe her. You know what I'm saying? She can tell him she can tell him that she contemplated about committing suicide. Like as if it's messing with her mentally. You know what I'm saying? It's really like to that point. Like they can really get him. But let's jump back into it.
A car? I can get another car.
All your assets. The house that you're living in right now?
Really?
Yes.
So you mean to tell me that everything that I worked hard for before I even met Amber, she could get it all?
Yeah, you get it all, bro. Your business assets, them opportunities that you've been throwing me lobs on,
And sometimes these little yellow niggas, man, they be really naive, right? I mean, he didn't. I mean, he said that as if he didn't even have a clue. God damn, yellow niggas, man. Let's jump back into it.
You could lose that too.
Look, I talked to her. I talked to her yesterday. I told her that she could have that house that I bought her. That's hers. I'm not tripping on that. And I told her I wouldn't leave her empty-handed. So I'll give her something, but all my assets, hell no. She didn't work as hard as I did to get all that. No.
Anthony, you told her, or did y'all agree upon that?
I told her she could have the house, and I told her I would not leave her. I'm not gonna leave my ex-wife empty-handed, but all my assets.
So basically, what you're saying is no prenup.
No.
Anthony, you're gonna lose it all. You're gonna lose it all, because that's not up to you. That's up to the courts. You're a black man in the system that cheated on his wife. Did you think about that?
And what Shania said right there was so very powerful. When in this type of case right here, Anthony, I don't think it's really up to it. Don't even matter what you try to come up with. You know what I mean? You can try to possibly. I mean, because if they do their research, they're gonna find out anyway. For real, it don't even matter. Bank accounts, all of that. They can see. They can tap into all that. You know, because they're gonna ask for your financial affidavits, Anthony. They're gonna want to see your financial affidavits. They're gonna want to see your W-2s. They're gonna want to see if you got any type of I-9s or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Any of your business statements and stuff like that. They want to see all of that, Anthony. Anthony, they gonna tap into all of your shit. Okay? See, Anthony, you little yellow jokers, man, y'all don't be thinking, okay? You gotta really think sometime, Anthony. You know what I'm saying? You could have it's a lot of shit. If you didn't want to be with that woman, you could have kept things in good grace with her and just told her you want to just have a real easy divorce. She want the house, I'm gonna give you the house, Anthony, Amber, and I give you a certain amount of thousands of dollars. Let's agree upon that. Let's write it down. But he wanted to keep cheating with. Let's jump back into this, man. This guy is really he's the cause of his own demise. For real.
Nah, I got some tricks up my sleeve. I'm not about to go out like that. I'm good. Brother,
Okay.
I appreciate you.
All right, man.
But I've been fighting all my life in business, and this marriage is no exception, bro.
Okay.
Nah, I'll be all right.
I'm just being
real. All my stuff. Nah.
I'm just being real with you, man. I just need you to think about this.
Okay,
I know I'm not practicing law, but I know the system. And according to the courts, you can lose it all. Everything. Everything, bro. Think about that.
I know the courts, but I also know Anthony, dog. I don't lose. But I appreciate you. Let's grab something to eat, man.
Get some food, because you tripping, dog.
I guess I can ride shotgun in this. But I don't want people to get the wrong idea.
Jump in the way.
Ain't funny, but look, Anthony. Look, man. You are in Georgia, and the rights in Georgia are really lean towards more of the female, like for real. Like for real. Women here in Georgia have a lot of power when it comes to situations like that of being married and, you know what I'm saying, having assets and businesses, houses and stuff like that. You know, especially the lifestyle he was living. He was taking care of his wife in the household. She also helped out as well. And it'll just show how he was just like if they want to, they can take the route of like Anthony was like mentally, emotionally abusive and emotionally like controlling and all of this shit. And then he just, you know what I'm saying? And then the cheating part as well. No, they can really put a lot of shit in that. They can be like, Anthony was really like emotionally abusive to Amber. Like he broke her down. You know what I mean? He stopped her from, you know what I'm saying? Like he didn't want her to do much, but the little bit that she did well. And when she did well with the businesses. She did well with the clubs. You know, it was one of the reasons why, you know, she was part of the reason why the club would start booming, along with Anthony and her coming up with the idea of to bring Country Wayne there as well. But it can go a lot of ways, man. And at the end, they definitely will go in Amber's favor because he cheated and he stepped out and he had a baby and then he left. Nigga just left after he started getting that pussy. And after he started, you know, everything was unraveled and that everybody found out. She can get him a lot of ways. She can get him. And she gonna get your little yellow ass. Cause Anthony, you don't be thinking. You know, I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, just talking to Shania, you need to listen to that man. He's trying to give you good advice. So, and then the advice he give you, just have a defensive tactic the best way you can. You know what I'm saying? Don't go in there like, nah, you know, I'm Anthony Dalton. Shit, Anthony Dalton fucked up. You in deep water, brother. Because that's how the storyline supposed to go, Anthony. Okay? Don't think the storyline ain't gonna go the same, Anthony. Listen, man, it's like this. Amber, she finds out she's, you know what I'm saying, like she's emotionally like just like distraught. I mean, you know, she's in like she stays in that mode for weeks and weeks and weeks until she comes out of it, man, and she comes out on top. Because she did, like, in a way, she kind of, when she got married to you, man, she took her vow serious. She really did. So, yeah, your karma is coming, man. That's what it's about, okay? All right? Now, you need to listen, man. Get you a good lawyer. Make sure you get you a great lawyer, and make sure you be straight up with your lawyer, and just know it's going to be war. And if she wanted to she go for your stuff, number one, you planted the seed, so you just gotta, you know what I'm saying, take it like a soldier. All right, Anthony? All right. But yeah, y'all let me know, man. Do y'all feel like Amber is deserving of Anthony's assets? Do you think she will get these things? Or do you think Anthony has a great, he has a great idea, and you know what I'm saying, and she end up with not coming up, she won't get none of his stuff, which I don't think that's going to happen. I think she's going to definitely get what she's looking for. But does Anthony have a great tactic up his sleeve? Y'all let me know. This is LJ Smith with Kolourekon. Let's debate it, and I am out. Peace.